Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking stir-fried clams in black bean sauce. So let's start cooking. Now we'll proceed to cook our clams. Heat up your pan or wok. I'm using the Gourmet 32cm galactic wok. Add in a little bit of oil. We need to fry our aromatics first. We add in 10 grams of young ginger, julienne. Next, we'll add in the stem of 2 spring onions. I've halved them like this. Just put them in. Just move them around. Once you can start to smell the beautiful fragrance from the ginger and the spring onion, we'll add in 4 cloves of garlic chopped. And I have here also 2 pieces of big red chilli, sliced thinly or julienne like this. Put them in. Do not worry about the spiciness because big red chilli, they are basically not that spicy. But of course, if you want to omit them, by all means do so. Right, you can see how beautiful the color is. Once you can smell this beautiful fragrance, we'll add in our seasoning. 1 tablespoon of black bean paste. Put it in. Half a tablespoon of oyster sauce. Now don't add in too much of this seasoning first because we don't want it to be too salty. We can always taste and add salt or soy sauce later. Mix them up well. Now we add in our clams. Put everything in. I'm using medium heat right now. Put the lid on. And we let this cook for about 2 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. 2 minutes is up. Let's have a look. You can see that the clams are opening up, but it's not done yet. We need to add a little bit of seasoning now. Half a teaspoon of sugar. 2 tablespoons of hua diao jiu or Chinese cooking wine. 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Put the lid back on. And we'll steam this for another minute. 1 minute is up. Let's have a look. They have all opened up. That means they are cooked already. Now we'll add in some cornstarch solution to thicken up the sauce. Mix them up very gently. Put in the rest of the spring onions. Let's just give this a taste to make sure that it's savory enough for us. Wow, beautiful, beautiful. Add in 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Give it a last mix. And now it's time to have our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Wow, the fragrance is really, really nice. The clams are cooked very nicely, very juicy, and the sauce is really, 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 really good. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Wow, this porridge is number 1.